In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Microsoft Outlook email quickly and efficiently for the year 2025 so you can keep your inbox free from unwanted emails. First, you'll want to open your Outlook application. Once you've got that up and running, take a look at your inbox and find an email from the person you wish to block. When you've located the email, right-click on it. A menu will appear with a list of several options you can choose from. You'll want to hover your cursor over the option labeled Junk and then select Block Sender. Doing so tells Outlook that you no longer wish to receive messages from this person. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Click OK to confirm your decision to block the sender. At this point, Outlook immediately takes action on your request. The sender's email address is automatically added to your blocked senders list. This means that going forward, any emails they send will be diverted directly to your junk email folder, so you'll never see them cluttering up your primary inbox again. This feature is incredibly useful for managing unwanted communications and keeping your email experience as stress-free as possible. Now, while blocking a sender in Outlook is a fast and straightforward process, it's equally important to review your junk email folder periodically. Occasionally, emails that aren't exactly junk mail can end up there by mistake. It's a good practice to give it a quick glance from time to time to ensure important emails aren't being missed. Plus, if you ever need to unblock a sender, you can do so by going into your settings, navigating to the blocked senders list, and removing their email address. This tidy solution is built right into Outlook, and it's a great way to manage communications without resorting to drastic measures like changing your email address. Life's too short to waste time on unwanted emails, and with just a few clicks, you can make sure that your email remains a tool for productivity rather than a source of frustration. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to make your digital life easier and more efficient.